Hey bucket lister, it's Trav Bell, the bucket list guy, the world's #1 bucket list expert, and I cannot wait to see you on the 29th, joining Phil Badura and the Action Coach community as your guest speaker. I say a bucket list is a tangible life plan, where our career plan or our business plan should fit into our life plan and not be the other way around. So Phil's invited me up there to kick off the conference, kick off our day together or half day together, and I'm going to help you create a life plan, a tangible life plan in the form of a bucket list. Have a lot of fun. I think in the last 12 months, it's really important to come together, get yourself a ticket if you haven't already, use the link below, but to come together and recalibrate on this new normal, this new definition of work-life blend, not work-life balance, but work-life blend. So I'm going to be bringing all these themes together, and I'll do my bit, and then I'm going to pretty much be Phil's wingman for the day. So Phil's then going to launch into his new 90-day planning process for your business, a must for every entrepreneur. I know how powerful these 90-day plans really are. You need to get one of those, and also you need to get a bucket list life plan as well. So I'm going to be going through, we're going to have a heap of fun. I can't wait to meet you all. I'll see you up there on the 29th. Bye.